How to check if your Android device supports USB OTG. To check whether your Android phone supports USB OTG, before plugging anything in, you can verify OTG compatibility through the Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store and search for OTG Check or OTG Checker. Install 2 or 3 of these apps for the most reliable results. After installation, open any of the apps and run the compatibility test. The app will display a clear message indicating whether your device supports USB OTG. If your phone is compatible, you'll see a notification confirming OTG support. If not, the app will show a message stating that your device doesn't support OTG connectivity. Once you see a message like, "This device supports USB OTG," you can safely connect your USB flash drive using your OTG cable with no issues. That's all you need to verify OTG functionality on Android. If you found the guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.